Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your TradingView theme. This simple process allows you to switch between light and dark modes, enhancing your visual experience. You can easily adjust the interface to suit your preferences, whether you prefer a bright or a more subdued look for your charts. Let's get started by opening your TradingView platform and navigating to any chart. To begin, make sure you have a chart open on your TradingView platform. Once your chart is visible, simply right-click anywhere on the chart's background. This action will bring up a context menu, presenting you with several options. Look for the settings related to the visual appearance of your chart. After right-clicking, a menu will appear. Locate and select the option labeled Color Theme. You'll then be presented with two primary choices, light and dark. Simply click on the theme you wish to apply. The change will take effect immediately, transforming the look of your entire TradingView interface to your chosen preference. While changing the overall theme is quick, you can also fine-tune individual chart elements. To do this, right-click on the chart again and select Settings. Within the chart settings, you'll find extensive options to customize colors for specific components like candles, borders, and even the background. This allows for a truly personalized trading environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.